Have you ever sat through a dull PowerPoint presentation, just slides and text, and thought, is there anything that I can add to make this more interesting? Well, here's the trick. Insert a video. It could be a demo, a product trailer, or any interesting information to share. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest and cleanest ways to insert videos in PowerPoint presentations, so your next pitch doesn't just inform, it impresses. Alright, let's start with the most common one, inserting a video you already have on your computer. To do this, open your slide, head over to the top menu and click Insert. From the options, go to Video and select Movie from File. Now just browse and choose the MP4 or MOV file you want to add. Once it's in, you will see it placed right on your slide. You can resize it, drag it anywhere on the slide. It behaves just like an image. You want it to play automatically during your presentation? Click on the video, then go to the Playback tab and change the Start option to Automatically. You can also trim the clip or adjust volume, all right inside PowerPoint. Super simple, offline friendly, and it plays right when you need it. Now, let's say your video is on YouTube. Maybe it's a promo video or a public tutorial, whatever it is. You can insert it directly into your slide without downloading. Here's how. Go to YouTube, find the video you want, and copy the link. Then in PowerPoint, go to Insert, click Video, and choose Online Movie. Paste the link in the box and hit Insert. It will load right into your slide. You can resize and position it just like before. But here's the thing. You need to be connected to the internet during your presentation to make sure it plays smoothly. Want it to start at a specific moment? You can pause the video at that point on YouTube and select Copy Video URL at current time. Then use that link when inserting. It will jump straight to the right moment. Super handy. If you're using Microsoft 365, here's a little bonus. Stock videos. These are royalty-free, professional-looking clips that you can use without worrying about copyright. Just go to Insert, then Video, and choose Stock Videos. A gallery will open up. You can search for things like background animations, nature scenes, office shots. Pick one, click Insert, and you are good to go. They loop automatically and are great for adding visual interest, especially on title slides or section breaks. So whether you are using your own files, streaming from YouTube, or browsing Microsoft's stock clips, PowerPoint makes video insertion super simple. Just remember, local files are best if you're presenting offline. Online videos give you flexibility, but need an internet connection. Try it out in your next presentation. Even one short video can make a massive difference in how your audience connects with your message. If this helped, leave a like, hit subscribe, and share this video with others. Before you go, if you ever need to turn your ideas into beautiful customized presentations fast, try Slides AI, a Google Slides plugin. It helps you create stunning, tailored presentations in seconds. From scripts to titles, live keynotes to handouts, and even instant translations. It's all just a click away. Right now, it Slides AI, a Google Slides plugin.